On my main YouTube channel, I film car review videos, which means that I need really good looking footage, which means cutting down reflections in the car so that you can see through the windshield. This is a huge issue I've had with GoPros because I haven't found a good polarizer for the GoPro Hero 8, and you'll know exactly what a polarizer does if you've ever put on polarized sunglasses and seen reflections kind of cut away and computer screens look a little bit weird. So I finally found one on Amazon. This is the Chronos circular polarizer filter specifically for the GoPro Hero 8. So as you can see right now in the camera, you can probably see the reflection of the heads-up display system here. So you can probably see that reflection in the glass, and you can't see the glass, you can't see through it super clearly. If I put this pair of sunglasses over, you can probably see much less reflection, if any at all. And now we are going to unbox the Chronos and put it on this GoPro here and see what it looks like. And also if it will hold, because I would like for it to not fall off while I'm filming with a suction mount to the car. So here it is. It comes in a pretty thick case. We open that up and we can see it has the polarizer here. So it spins and it looks like it does pretty well just from what my eyes can see. And then we have the mount piece, which looks to be a custom 3D printed, possibly plastic piece that goes onto the camera, and it just goes, I believe, on the corner like that. So it just snaps on, looks pretty snug. And then this filter goes on top, and now you can see as I spin here, our reflections should be going away. So there's the reflection there, you can see that. As I spin the circular polarizer, the reflection disappears. See that? And then it comes back and it goes away. So now I'm going to take this outside and show you what it looks like through the front windshield. So we can rotate there, and now we can see directly through the glass. So that is a circular polarizer, and this one, I'm going to shake the GoPro now. Seems to stay on pretty well. Cool.